Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you how easy it is to save money and to be able to buy in large amounts and not have to run to the store every 2 minutes to buy something you need. Here's an example. I have a whole box of tomatoes. When I bought them, they weren't ripe. They were kind of pinkish, but they're actually doing well and getting more ripe every day. We eat lots of tomatoes. Either we make them roasted in a pan or we make sandwiches. And by the way, sorry for my voice. I've been really sick with a bad chest cold and I am slowly trying to heal. But here you go. Just a fast way. By yourself. Go to the market or go to your local store and ask them, what's it going to cost me to get like a whole box of tomatoes rather than just buying tomatoes by unit. And especially over the winter, they're so expensive as it is. So that's one thing I do. I'm just going to show you. Where is my other box? Here it is. Okay, don't mind my mess. This is my garage that turned into a storage room for now. And sorry, not enough good lighting here. Let me see, can I open the light here? Okay, so here's another thing I do is I buy a whole box of peppers. Now, normally if you would buy red peppers, they're very expensive, but I settle for these nice, smallish, they're not super big, orange peppers. And these peppers are great because you could cut them in half and you can fill them. Just a nice way to make a fast dinner. And as you can tell, they're going really fast because it was full to the top. And I know that if I would buy 4 peppers at the grocery store, especially those big grocery stores, they would cost about, I would say, maybe $7. And here I got a whole box of peppers. And it only cost me a total of, I think, $17 for all of this. So that's another way you can also save money. As you could tell, I buy carrots, large bags of carrots. I've got large bags of beets. And with the beets, you can make fresh beet salad. You can roast them in the oven. So it's a nice way to be able to buy things in large amount, and you can save money that way. Example, look at this. Do you see this? What I do with my beets, I actually have some in pots growing in my entrance in the front, and I get shoots every day. Every day I'm able to pull some leaves from the beets, and it could go on for like months and months and months. So you always have shoots to put either in a sandwich or in a salad. So plant, if you get some beets, plant some in some soil or even a glass of water and just grow those beautiful shoots that you could actually eat. So there's many ways of saving a couple of bucks. Here I have large bag of flour that I bake with, and down here there's another big box of sweet potatoes. Normally we buy a big 50-pound bag of regular potatoes, but my husband came home with these imperfect potatoes, and it was a 15-pound bag for only like $2. So who cares if they're imperfect? They go down the same hole, right? So here's a fast way of saving some money and having food always on hand. Yes, you do need a place to store it. I know some of you live in apartments, but if you have a garage or a place where you could keep this stuff, it's a great way to save a couple of bucks. So that's one way of doing it. We also buy, as you could tell, lots of beans. We've got more beans down here. Now I usually make beans myself, but always good to have them on hand in case you're in a pinch and you want to make a fast dinner and you just didn't have any cooked. You grab a couple of jars and you're there. These are all my mushroom bags that I'm waiting to get covered in mycelium. This one's pretty good, almost ready to go, so I'll be able to take this out and bring it into another place where I grow my mushrooms. This one still needs to get covered. So there's another way of, you know, saving some money, is if you can grow some mushrooms yourselves. So, and it's fun. It becomes a hobby. But yeah, you know, I buy big bags of semolina if I'm making pasta. So this is a nice way of saving a couple of bucks and always having food on hand. But again, you do need a place to put it. So if you don't have a garage, I won't recommend you loading your house with all these big bags of stuff. But if you have a place to put it, by all means, see your local grocery store and see what they'll sell you, like a case of bananas. Rather than buying bananas by the unit. And those peppers, great to have them on hand. And yeah, just a easy way to have food on hand and not spend like crazy amount of money. So there you go. Just a small video to say sorry guys, I haven't had a chance to make much video. My voice is still not so bad, a little on the... My lungs hurt more than anything because I really got my chest, but I am healing. That's the good thing. And I did it all without medication. Amen. So there you go. I will be making a lot more videos for you guys, and I'm so excited. I made it to the 50,000 subscriber. Thank you guys. I love you guys. I'm so happy that you guys came to my channel and you follow me. And I'm going to be doing some giveaway, guys. Want to say thank you to all of you that we made it to 50,000. And then I have another nice big giveaway that I'll be doing shortly right after. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And guess what, guys? I'll see you in my next video.
For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to Connie's RAWsome Kitchen, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends.